will be playing Bee Swarm Sim. I just redeemed a bunch of codes, so it should be very good. Hey, that rhymes. Alrighty, I got a pillow for my arms. Oh man, it's full. Well, that's too bad. I'll just have to X out. Got game full, bruh. Join me instead. That's what I'm gonna put. Alrighty. Close that. Bee Swarm Sim. Alright, it should bring us to Bee Swarm Sim. Okay, there it is. Bee Swarm Sim is one of my favorite games. Actually, it is one of my favorite games. Wait, that was weird. I just said it is one of my favorite games. I said it's one of my favorite games, and I said no, it is one of my favorite games. Which doesn't really make sense, but if you're on my side, it does make sense. Now that is something that doesn't make sense. You're probably like, everything you're saying doesn't make sense. Okay, so let's go into the game. Come on. There's only one hive. Wait. Race is on, bro. Race. I am Rick. Yo, he's really on. I could join him. I don't have that many bees. Not anywhere near as much as this guy has. I have literally the least amount of bees. Hey, bro. Let's have some fun. Alright, so I don't have very many bees. I have like literally 0 bees compared to him. I have this one, Demo Bee, level 4. Bomber Bee, level 4, he's a rare. Demo Bee is an epic. Honey Bee is an epic because they produce honey. Rad Bee is a red rare. Cool Bee is a, oh man, Cool Bee's a blue rare. Riley Bee is a red epic. It's the leader of the red bees. And so let's have some fun. Alright, so if you guys are willing to complete this obby, as you see up here, there is some royal jelly. And if you're not associated with, well, look at all those bees. If you're not associated with Bee Swarm Sim, you get pollen, you get honey, and you buy eggs basically and try to create this. Why did I receive this treat? Oh man. Dang it, I missed it. If you're willing to try to complete this tiny obby, this tiny little obby, oh, the bomber bee. I have no clue what the demo bee it does that's so crazy. That makes it an epic. Ah, just missed it. I went on the side. I'm gonna try like 3 more times. If I don't get it within 3 more times, I'm not doing it again, but you guys can try it. I've already got this royal jelly. Yes, I made it. So I don't really see why I'm doing this. Ah! 2 more times and I'm done with this. Oh, yo, it's Reese, but how did he get so hurt? Yo, Reese, how did you get so hurt, buddy? I'm sorry, do you need a wet wash? A wet wipe, not a wet wash. Honey, 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 honey. It was over before I could get there. What was that face? What is that face up there? That was there. I don't know if it is now. Okay, that was my 3rd time. Fireball. I'm not Rudolph. So why should I have a friend named Fireball? Yeah, this is Scythe. Yes, he's Scythe. What is he saying? Call? Who? Me? Who, me? What's he gonna say? If you have 5 bees, you can come. Right here. Look, I hate the spiders. Alrighty, I haven't been talking that much. And that's because I'm trying to complete this very hard obby. Ooh, I made it. No! This obby is so hard. I haven't completed it at all. I'm gonna get a royal jelly if I do. I don't really need a royal jelly, but hey, it's better off to have one! No! This dang obby. Ugh! Terrible obby. Ugh! Obby. I know you guys don't really know what Bee Swarm Sim is. Some of you may know it a lot. Some of you may not know it a lot. Some of you may just be just like me, be just like beginners. Yes! 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 I found the honey! I mean, not the honey, the royal jelly! Now, all you have to do is just climb back down. Can't be that hard, can it? Well, I did climb down technically. Trying to corner me off. don't know why he isn't talking, but really what you do in this game is you basically just click. Ooh, a bomb, bomb, bomb. You basically just click. You get, what is that? It's like a scythe bee or something. You get this, you click, you upgrade your backpack to upgrade your storage, and you upgrade your like thing you dig with. Says you gonna call me? Treat, treat, treat. I have no clue, but you basically just do this. Okay. So see, if you have a ticket, then you can go to the converter, instant converter, and it converts however much pollen you have and turns it into honey. So see how I have 350,000, no, 35,000, no, 3,500, 3,500. I'll get, look up at the honey. So you see the honey? Boom, 22,000. Takes about 13 minutes every time you use it. I probably can't afford. Ooh, it's 15,000. Oh. Text him why. About what? This is so weird. Try to do it in the chat. Okay. Try in the chat. Why? He is busy. Just try and chat. Alright, a royal jelly. What did I get? Fire bee! Oh, it's a music note. Alright, I have no clue why this video is happening like this. It's so weird. He said he needs to talk about something big, so I don't know what it is. I'll see if I can find out. Alrighty, so let's ask him what is it that he needs. What you need to talk to me about, huh? No, he has to leave. Come on. Well, I guess that's the end of this video. Stay tuned for the next video where we find out what he had to talk about, okay? Okay.